Suppose there are 5 students with 82s, 6 with 71s, and 3 with 92s. The simplest way to average here is to weight each score. Since there are 5 82s, 6 71s, and 3 92s, weight each of the grades according to their frequency of occurrence. Like this. And there are a total of 14 grades, so you'll divide by 14, push a few calculator buttons, and you've got it. Here's a quick pointer. Before you start pushing buttons, ask yourself what would be a reasonable answer for the average of these test scores. Your lowest grade is 71, and your highest grade is 92, so you're expecting an average between 71 and 92. And since there are more 71s and 82s than 92s, you can expect the average to be closer to 71 than 92. Looking for a reasonable answer is a great practice to get into. Yep, the test average for the 14 students is slightly closer to 71 than 92.